Hey everybody, just want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. If you're celebrating, enjoy, get those barbecues flared up, just be safe. Was it like the 247th anniversary of the United States of America? Got my cowboy hat on here. I'm down in Florida. Still don't know if I like it down here or not, to be honest with you. I might be like one of those quintessential New Yorkers. Like, you could take the New Yorker out of New York, but you can't take the New York out of the New Yorker. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm going to give it a little bit more time, but kind of homesick a little bit for one thing I don't like, and I know the rest of you, probably 99.9% of you around the country, I mean, you like driving around. And I've had cars in New York City, and I got rid of my cars. And one thing I have to say, that living in a city where you can walk around or take public transportation easily and everywhere, I mean, to me, that's like a godsend. I mean, I just hate driving. It's not that I'm a bad driver. I'm a good driver. I had muscle cars, I had Porsches, I had Corvettes, but I had Jeeps. I can't stand it. Like, I feel like I'm spending so much time on the road that it's just like really, really inefficient. So far I haven't locked in a place. I'm staying with a relative, and I'm looking around. I don't know even what area I want to live in, but probably it's going to be Miami, because that's what they say, that's the place to be. But yeah, I don't know. Don't be surprised if I end up back in New York City. I'm telling you this right now. Anyway, markets are closed today. You might have some thin trading going on in Forex or foreign markets, but be careful. In the past, over the course of my history as a trader, I've lost a lot of money on holidays because, playing around in thin markets, it's not an advisable thing to do. But yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. We're going to see a total recovery of the tax drain from June. Next month, in August, we're going to get a quarterly interest payment, which will be around August 15th. So that'll peak us out in the market at some point, and we'll have a pullback from there. But the big picture looks positive. I mean, and the thing to really focus in on right now, I think, is investor sentiment. And sentiment it's not that bullish at all. If anything, it's like still leaning to the bearish side. I mean, whatever bullish sentiment has developed over the last 4 weeks, it's very low compared to anything historically. So this market's got a lot of room to go on the upside. And this goes back to what I was saying last year. I said, we're going to get big increases in fiscal flows from the interest transfers. We're going to get big increases in the fiscal flows from the increase, cost of living increase in Social Security and those payments, which are all non-discretionary. I mean, I was telling you guys this, and I gave you the exact date in October when we bottomed out, and I showed pictures. At least my subscribers saw the charts of where I track these daily fiscal flows, daily, not even monthly, not even weekly, but daily. And I saw where they started to turn back up, and I said we were going to hit an inflection point, and that inflection point was where the positive impact of the fiscal transfers would outweigh the negative impact of the higher rates. And that's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. Now you have Stephanie Kelton coming out 9 months later, saying the same thing that I said, 9 months ago. So don't think these guys are ahead of where I am. No, again, not to pat myself on the back, but just to make a statement. And I'm proud of this. I have to say that nobody else does what I do. Nobody else does what I do. Because I combine the MMT understanding with over 40 years of trading experience, member of 4 different exchanges, floor trader, ran a prop desk for a major international bank, ran money for a major hedge fund, blah, blah, blah. You guys all know the thing. I don't need to go over my resume. But anyway, it's a beautiful day down here. I think I'm going to head to the beach right now. And I want everybody, enjoy your whatever you're having. If you're having hot dogs and hamburgers or barbecue chicken or whatever, or fish, enjoy, be safe. And if you get to see some fireworks, good for you. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Love you. Bye.